Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Laboratory World. In this video I am share some MCQs in biochemistry which is continuous. Okay, let's start. First one, the characteristic red color of hemoglobin is due to option A heme, option B alpha globin, option C beta globin, option D all of them. Correct answer option A heme. Next one, name the amino acid that directly participate in the synthesis of heme. Option A methionine, option B aspartate, option C glycine, option D tryptophan. The correct answer option C glycine, which is participate in the synthesis of heme. The next one, the number of ATP produced when a molecule of acetyl-CoA is oxidized through citric acid cycle. The number of ATP produced when a molecule of acetyl-CoA is oxidized through citric acid cycle. Option A 12, option B 24, option C 38, option D 15. The correct answer option A 12. Next question. The connecting link between HMB shunt pathway and lipid synthesis. The connecting link between HMB shunt and lipid synthesis is option A ribose, option B NADPH, option C pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate, option D NADH. Correct answer option B NADPH. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Okay, next one. The lipoprotein possessing the highest quantity of phospholipid. Option A HDL, option B LDL, option C VLDL, option D chylomicron. Correct answer option A HDL, high density lipoprotein, which is good cholesterol, and option B LDL is low density lipoprotein known as bad cholesterol, and VLDL is very low density lipoprotein. The correct answer option A HDL. Okay. Next one, hypercholesterolemia is observed in the disorder. That means increased cholesterol in blood is observed in the disorder. Option A hypothyroidism, option B diabetes mellitus, option C nephrotic syndrome, option D all of them. Correct answer all of them. In all cases, in these all cases, hypercholesterolemia is seen. Next one, hormone sensitive lipase activity is inhibited by the hormone. Hormone sensitive lipase activity is inhibited by the hormone. Option A epinephrine, option B insulin, option C thyroxine, option D glucocorticoid. Correct answer option B insulin. Next one, the synthesis of urea occur in option A kidney, option B liver, option C muscle, option D brain. The correct answer option B liver. Option B liver. Okay. Next one, the amino acid that does not participate in transamination. The amino acid that does not participate in transamination. Option A lysine, option B glutamine, option C alanine, option D tryptophan. Correct answer option A lysine. Lysine does not participate in transamination. Okay, next one. The end product of purine metabolism in human is. The end product of purine metabolism in human is option A xanthine, option B uric acid, option C urea, option D allantoin. Correct answer option B uric acid. Okay, next one. The following substance is involved in the regulation of plasma calcium level. Option A calcitriol, option B parathyroid hormone, option C calcitonin, option D all of them. Correct answer option D all of them. Next one, pick up element that prevent the development of dental caries. Pick up element that prevent the development of dental caries. Option A fluorine, option B calcium, option C phosphorus, option D sodium. Correct answer option A fluorine. Next one, impairment in the synthesis of dopamine by the brain is a major cause factor of the disorder. The impairment of the synthesis of dopamine by the brain is a major causative factor for the disorder. Option A Parkinson disease, option B Addison disease, option C Cushing syndrome, option D goiter. Correct answer option A Parkinson disease. Next one, name the hormone predominantly produced in response of fright, fight and flight. Name the hormone predominantly produced in the response to fright, fight and flight. Option A thyroxine, option B estrogen, option C epinephrine, option D ADH. The correct answer option C epinephrine. Next one, in hemolytic jaundice Vandenberg reaction is option A indirect positive, option B direct positive, option C biphasic, option D none of these. Correct answer option A indirect positive. In hemolytic jaundice there is not liver is occurred. Okay, before the bilirubin enter in the liver there is hemolytic jaundice is occur, so indirect positive. Next one, bilirubin is not excreted in urine in option A obstructive jaundice, option B hepatic jaundice, option C hemolytic jaundice, option D none of the above. Correct answer option C hemolytic jaundice. In hemolytic jaundice bilirubin is not excreted in urine. Next one, the serum enzyme used to evaluate pancreatic function is option A alkaline phosphatase, option B amylase, option C aspartate transaminase, option D lactate dehydrogenase. Correct answer option B amylase. The main enzyme evaluate pancreatic function is amylase and lipase. In this option the correct answer option B amylase. Next one, gamma glutamyl transpeptidase activity in serum is elevated in option A pancreatitis, option B muscular dystrophy, option C myocardial infarction, option D alcoholism. Correct answer option D alcoholism. GGT increased in alcoholism. Okay, next one. The recent years, a non-protein compound has been identified to bring about a catalysis in biological system. The name of the compound is option A DNA, option B RNA, option C lipid, option D carbohydrate. The correct answer option B RNA, ribonucleic acid. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.